Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome back. Now we have science and we're having a class outdoors. Wow, it's so refreshing. I've been really tired of the classroom for a while and so happy to be outside here. Today we're going to talk about energy and the sun. What is energy? Hmm? You know when you start playing outside and running around in recess time, what do you think makes you run around without getting tired? It's energy, right? So we say energy makes things to move or change, right? Okay, I'm going to show you an example of things that change due to energy being applied to it. So I have one example, which is right here. Hmm. I love food, you know. That's why I gave an example using rice. So here is an uncooked rice. Okay, this is an uncooked rice, and on this part, do you see how it looks? It's all white and a bit tiny. Do you see it? Yeah. So this is an example of a thing before energy is being applied to it. Okay, and on this part you have the same rice, but now a form of energy, which is heat, has been applied to it. So this rice has been cooked and this is really yummy. So what changes do you see between the two? What changes do you observe? I want you to note down the changes between these two things, like this in its original state and this one when heat energy has been applied to it. All right, okay, thank you guys. Now we're going to also look at different things that energy makes to move and change. Here we have a tree, right? And then I can apply energy. Do you see that the tree, the leaves are moving, right? Okay. The trees can move when I apply energy to it, or when another form of energy, which is known as the wind energy, is applied to it. So when we have a strong wind blowing, okay, you see the trees moving. All right. Another way or another thing that moves when energy is applied to it is a car. Almost all of you
Is
come
even
to
a
school
car.
in cars every day, right? What do you think makes the car to move? Energy, of course, just like you see the one now moving. Okay? Without energy, it cannot move. It will just be at a spot. All right. So now let's talk about the sun. Look up to the sky and try to figure out the sun. It's not quite sunny here, but let's see. Okay, there it is, shining a little bit, not really brighter. Okay, we say that the sun provides us with energy. Most of the energy we have on earth is being provided to us by the sun. Okay, so that's what I want you to know today, because we have many forms of energy, but we are not going to talk about it. I really want you to know that energy makes things to move or change, and the sun provides us with energy. Okay, now let's get to the workbook. On page 310. Yeah, so yeah, that's another car moving. Woo! Do you see that? Good. Now we are on page 310, and then you find this page on the green pages. Page 310, the green pages. I'm so sorry we're not in the classroom, so I cannot show you the date, but not to worry, I'm going to write the date for you under this video when I post it. Okay, now you write your date, and then we get to read the notes in the book. Yeah. Okay, energy and the sun. Okay? Energy and the sun. The first dot says energy makes things move or change. Let's read again. Energy makes things move or change. All right. The second dot says most of the energy on earth comes from the sun. Let's read again. Most of the energy on earth comes from the sun. So that's the 2 points I really need you to keep in your mind. Now let's get to work. It says help Sam write the words that the pictures stand for. So this is going to be kind of like a fun activity for us. We already have the pictures. All we need to do is just to look at the pictures and write the words. Okay? Just look at the pictures and write the words. Number 1, it says the dash produces most of the energy found on Earth. So what picture is this? This is a picture of what? Is a sun. So we're going to write sun in here. S-U-N. Okay? We write the word sun on the line. Okay, I'm going to leave you guys to continue with the rest from number 2 to number 8. And when you're done, you send a picture of your work to me. I'll upload it on Class Dojo. If you still don't understand what to do, please send me a message and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys and see you tomorrow. Bye.